In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings in Jira to ensure you get the updates you need without being overwhelmed by too much information. Let's dive in and make your workday more efficient and less noisy. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your Jira dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and head over to your designated Jira site. Upon arrival, look for the option labeled For You. This section is specifically tailored to enhance your personal experience within Jira. Clicking on For You will lead you to a page laden with all the information and tasks relevant to you, giving you a quick and thorough overview of your current projects and activities. It's a reconnection point to align with what's on your agenda and what requires your immediate attention. Once you're on your personalized page, the next step is to direct your attention to the settings menu. It's generally located in the top right corner or a similarly easy to spot area within the Jira interface. Go ahead and click on it. The settings menu is the gateway to customizing your entire Jira experience. Within it, you'll find all the controls you have over your notifications and beyond. Moving forward, look for the option that says Notification Settings in the settings menu. Clicking on this will either take you to a new page or open a pop-up window where you have the ability to exercise control over how and when Jira sends you notifications about changes, updates, and activities within your projects. This is crucial because nobody wants the flood of emails or alerts about every little change. Yet, you also don't want to miss out on crucial updates that might affect your workflow. In the notification settings, you'll encounter an array of options to tailor notifications for various projects and work items. This section is central to fine-tuning what you are notified about, with detailed controls over what's important for you. I recommend you take your time to go through each setting, weighing what kinds of notifications are truly beneficial for you and your workflow. For example, you might opt to receive alerts for specific project updates or task changes that directly influence your role, while muting general notifications that contribute to digital clutter and distraction. Customizing these settings will help ensure that you're informed about necessary changes without being overwhelmed. If your responsibilities include coordinating with a team, be sure to set notifications that keep you updated on their progress and any collaborative tasks that need your attention. This will facilitate smoother project management